There is a saying in Tamil by Vallalar, "Vaadiya payire kandu podellam vaadineen." So he actually worked towards providing whatever is needed for the needy and poor to eradicate poverty. So it's great to actually go there.
Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm all prepared and ready in light color set of sari. So I'm going for attending a function. So basically today's event is all about devotion, prayer and remembrance. Right now we will be going in our college bus and I'm waiting for another staff, Keerthana. She will be joining me. Then our college bus will take us to a place called Polachi. I hope today's event went very smoothly, peace, calm, and I'm just hoping for the best. Let's see how the days turn out to be. So guys, this is my friend Keerthana.
Hello,
Tell me about your dress.
my dress.
Yeah.
This one is the mulmul cotton sari. The first time I'm wearing it today. So yeah, it's so comfortable for the hot weather. I like yours too. It's a contrast of beige and blue. Looks great on you.
I wanted to wear a yellow sari,
Yes.
but they told me to come in light color, so I have to wear this.
That one was really nice.
Yeah.
You would have standed out.
Okay.
Boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills the velvet thought, etching patterns, leaving its
எதுக்குறாம பாப்பாவை பாட்டா படிக்கிறதில்ல பாட்டா படிக்கிறாங்க வாங்க சேர்த்து படிக்கிறாங்க சரி
under the boughs where the shadows play.
நம்ம ஐயாவை பொள்ளாச்சியின் ஆலமரம்னு சொல்றாங்க. பொள்ளாச்சியின் ஆலமரம்னு சொல்றாங்க. இத பெருமையை பெற்றவர் நம்முடைய ஐயா. நீங்க ஆலமரத்தை யோசிச்சு பாருங்களேன். எத்தனை பேர்த்துக்கு நிழல் தருது, எத்தனை பேர்த்துக்கு புகலிடமா இருக்குது, எத்தனை பேருக்கு இருப்பிடமா இருக்குது, எத்தனை பறவைகள், எத்தனை ஜீவராக எல்லாம் இருக்கணும்னு தானே தோணும். ஆனா கதராடையோட போறாங்க. எப்படி இப்படி உங்களுக்கு வந்தது அப்படின்னா ஐயா அதுக்கு பதில் சொல்றாங்க. சின்ன வயதில் ராமகிருஷ்ணன்
We also serve microcosm girl.
No,
Yeah, I know.
it's not just because of that. I have
Hmm?
got proud to say.
Yeah.
I want to make the banana leaf full. Okay.
Hello guys, now we are back to hostel and see, she is not only just my friend but today she was my translator. Please give me some insights.
So we actually went to Pollachi, Dr. Yan Mahalingam College of Technology, where we actually gone for the remembrance of Archelvar Mahalingamaya. So he's a big follower of Gandhiji and Vallalar. So he preached what he saw in both of them, non-violence and helping the needy and whatnot, providing education for everybody, equality, and all sort of things. There is a saying in Tamil by Vallalar, "Vaadiya paire kandupodellam vaadinen." So he actually worked towards providing whatever is needed for the needy and to eradicate poverty. So it's great to actually go there and know about him, his works, and how his life has been, and practicing non-violence. And yeah, it was really a great day, peaceful day, and we sat and listened to whatever he's done. It was nice. Thank you for actually letting me know about this. Otherwise, I wouldn't have joined her.
Yeah, I drag her with me. And the most key intake for me was a person with empathy is remembered no matter how long he has passed away. It was not just money, power, but the empathy. The story completely moved me.
He lives in everybody's heart. You know, that's what is needed.
Okay, guys, I think we'll just wrap up now. We are also tired because we have a very good dinner. Yeah.
It was great.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye.
Bye.